Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. In today's studio vlog, we're gonna pack a bunch of orders from my autumn shop update and create the new products for my spooky season shop update. First, I want to thank everyone who ordered something in the last weeks. The autumn collection was really successful, and I also did ship my first international orders to the US. So a big thanks to everyone who supported my creative journey. Every like, comment, follow or order is very much appreciated and means the absolute world to me. I made some new thank you cards to include in my packaging with an art print on the front and all the infos and the thank you note to all my lovely customers in the back. Then I created a flat lay for my new autumn-themed header for the Etsy shop. For the next spooky season shop update, I did order some stickers from Sticker App, and it's a Magician tarot card in holographic. And I did get those in the mail a few days ago. It's a bit of a mistake because the background should have been holographic as well. Yeah, maybe I have to insert some clips with artificial lighting, because then the holographic effect is much more visible. And like I said, I will also put a picture on screen what I ordered. So this should have been like a little bit see-through, so it would have been dark and holographic effect. I emailed them, did tell them about the problem, and they were really nice and considerate, and they did do a reprint for me, and it's already came in the mail today, so it was quite fast. I think even faster than the first order, so I'm really satisfied and quite nervous to see them. So let's have a look. Oh my god, I'm excited! Let's open them up and see. I did change the design a bit to make it more visible in this size of a sticker. Yeah, I really prefer those. The hollow is quite subtle. I will definitely insert some pictures from when there is artificial lighting, because it makes the effect so much more. Here is a real hollow, kind of. I think the matte finish takes a bit away of the hollow effect as well, but I just really like the matte. I think it looks so much nicer. I really prefer this one. They will be up on the shop as well. You can get both. Maybe some people. I know some of my friends prefer this one because the figure is more outstanding on this one. I will definitely put both in the shop as an option. I will definitely add one of those to the front of my channel. Oh my god, so beautiful. The other tarot card stickers I ordered finally came. I'm really nervous, so let's see. Oh, okay. That's different. I didn't really look at the size, I think. Oops. I thought they would be a little bit bigger. Yeah, the quality is quite nice. I like the matte finish. Maybe the border could be a little smaller next time, but they're quite cool. That they would be a little bit smaller, I thought, but not that small. So I will be putting them in a different tier, list them separately from those, because they are not holographic, those ones are, so it might be better anyway to separate them. And I must say, for the waist part, I prefer that those from Sticker App come in this reusable pouches you can like reopen and close, so you can reuse them other than this. But it's fine. We can deal with it for now.
And I designed 2 witchy-inspired sticker sets for the spooky season. Each includes 7 witchcraft and spooky stickers. So if you want to get yourself some spooky season Halloween themed goodies for your journal, check out the link in the description to my Etsy shop. And I also added 2 spooky season bullet journal monthly spreads as printables. One with a more autumnal themed style and color palette, and one more magic and witchcraft themed in general. And the final product for this shop update is the Spooky Season Ephemera Printable Kit, which comes with 24 Halloween-themed tags, 6 vintage witchcraft journaling pages, and many more ephemera pieces as a digital printable, which you can get as an instant download. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's studio vlog, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.